KHON2 weather, Kamakapili.
Windward sides remain damp this evening. We have an increase of scattered showers moving in, and we're going to actually continue to see that trend starting tomorrow. And even once we start off the new week, these lights could actually be increasing more. These moderate threats could be increasing to high conditions. Thunderstorm threats for tomorrow not posing a threat, but that could also be increasing once we start the new week. And our ocean conditions, that is on high. We have this large swell that came through and continues to exit. So we do have a bunch of advisories. Let's go over that real fast. The wind advisory has been extended for the Maui County and Hawaii Island. That's until tomorrow morning. Discontinued for the other islands, Niihau, Kauai, and Oahu. Small craft advisory for the entire state until Tuesday, with the exception of Alenuihaha Channel. That goes into a gale watch starting tomorrow into Tuesday. And hydrologic outlook, meaning that we're looking at the potential of widespread heavy shower activity starting tomorrow into the new week. No flash flood watch issued yet, but that has a potential to be triggered in the coming days. And a high surf advisory, north and west facing shores until tomorrow, east facing shores until Monday. That's due to the strong winds that's coming through. So east facing shores will actually be increasing 7 to 10 tomorrow. Again, high surf advisory. North and west facing shores, that advisory has been discontinued starting tomorrow morning. 10 to 14 footers by tomorrow evening, 6 to 8 footers on the west facing shores by tomorrow evening, 1 to 3 calmest conditions down south. Now, looking at what's going on around the islands, a lot of things around the islands that's going to slowly start to move over the islands in the coming days. The breezy conditions, high pressure system towards the northeast, that will be reinforced, so we're going to continue to see breezy conditions. But with those breezes now shifting from the southeast, going to bring a lot of this moisture that is towards the east and south of the islands over the islands starting tomorrow evening, especially Hawaii Island, moving towards Maui County and the smaller islands by Monday, and then continue to move towards the west. We're looking at wet weather patterns from now or from tomorrow into around Wednesday, and that's when we're expecting the easterly trades to return, brushing all of that moisture towards the west, bringing in more dry conditions. So what we're seeing tomorrow, increase of shower activity. Driest looks to be for Maui County, but those wind speeds again will remain breezy, and that's the trend we're going to be seeing. Easterly trades to start off tomorrow, southeasterlies to end it off. That will start off the new week. So a lot of that moisture will be sweeping in. The greatest impacts, it looks to be Tuesday, Wednesday, those easterly trades return. So following that Thursday, Friday, back to windward showers, but those breezy conditions will continue into the weekend. So keep those hats on tight because it's going to be a breeze. Sam, I'll give it back to you.